Do you got the husband, the kids that never seem to leave you alone? And yet some days you're wondering, why the heck did I want all this? And yet at the same time, you love your husband, and at the same time, you just want to... And some days, I'm just saying, let's be real and honest, the husband seems like more of the problem at times. But yet at other times, we know that they're wonderful, they're helping, they're doing their best. They really are. Those damn men, I tell you what, they are doing their best to help keep it all together, even though sometimes they're just a pain in the butt. I tell you what. And at the same time, you can't help but love them. You look at them and you just get pregnant just like that. I tell you what, that's what happened to me after I overcame infertility. So I know exactly what I'm going through. I know exactly what you're going through. Maybe not the same amount of kids as I've got, because I've had 11 children total. I've got 7 living and another one on the way, running a very successful business. So I know my husband is helping take care of the kids. He does way more than I do because I've got the easy part. All of us stay-at-home mamas and all the moms, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm just saying. At the same time, you also know that you need time for you to rest, to be able to recenter, refocus without losing your shit. I'm just calling it what it is. I'm blunt and honest. Did I mention that my name is Robin Stoltman and I'm a certified hypnotherapist, that I know exactly how to be able to help you break free from your self-limiting beliefs, from the chaos that goes on in life? I'm just saying, the hours of endless scrolling, the hours of like, oh God, can this just be over? I want to go to bed already. I'm just saying. And yet at the same time, you want to be able to feel who you are again. Because after all, having children changes who you are. At least you think it does. And you're really the same person. It's just trying to find yourself again. Because I've been there a couple times already now within my business. And unfortunately, because I am an entrepreneur, mompreneur, I've had it where I want to focus on one thing and then I want to switch to something else, because some days you just can't get the husband to be quiet or the kids. And then other times you're just like, what am I really doing to help myself? What am I doing to fill up my cup? And in those moments, that's when you need something like this reset and recenter, where you're going to have the stress relief help. That I'm going to be giving you the tools in a 45-minute session that will be powerful, with one tool that I have that I still use to help me remember, you know what? I can handle this. I've got control over this. Because life does not have to be as difficult as what people make it out to be. The only challenge is the one that you have between your ears. I'm just saying. I'm calling it what it is, because the reality is it's not out here that's the problem. It's the inner talk that I'm not good enough. I can't do this. Being a parent is hard. Parenting is not hard. What makes it hard is when you're telling yourself that it's hard. So then it becomes hard. So in this 45-minute session, I'll be able to help you have the tools so that it's not so hard, so it's not so difficult. Because while the kids are making sound, lots of it in my case right now, with my husband making noise, and he's doing his best to keep them quiet, I'm able to keep calm, collected, and just know, you know what, this only lasts for a little bit. And I can help get you there as well. Granted, my kids won't be noisy during this 45 minutes, because I'll make sure that they're outside doing what they need to be doing, which is outside playing, having lots of fun. But be sure that you take and join me for this event, because this is going to be so powerful. It will help you. And like I said, this may be just the relief that you've been looking for.